Finance module. Each faculty council has a unique account number with the University Student Council. For most of your events, you will need to buy food, decorations, prizes, and so on. With the support of the USC Finance Department, they help you to maintain the financial accounts by recording deposits, processing checks and refunds, and other financial needs. To enhance the security on these accounts, the USC has agreed that only people with signing authority can access this account. So, who has signing authority and what does this mean? All organizations are assigned 3 signing authorities. Signing authority is automatically given to the President, Vice President Events, and Vice President Finance. Signing authority cannot be transferred. Faculty councils have the option to request more students to be given access to the events portal and signing authority. This request must be sent from the President to the Compliance Coordinator. Signing officers can access the financial information, approve reimbursements and payments for the Faculty Council, book conference rooms through the USC, and approve of expenses at Creative Services, The Wave, The Spoke, and The Purple Store. Signing authority is confirmed using your student ID number, which was collected during faculty transition. So, who doesn't love paperwork? So if we have over 3,000 event proposals in a year, we've processed a lot of deposits, checks, refunds, and more. In order to keep track of all these transactions, the USC requires forms to be filled out. The forms are available in the USC main office and are to be submitted to the USC main office, which is opened Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. A deposit slip will need to be filled out each time you make a deposit. Not sure or need help? Someone is always at the front desk to give you a hand. Don't be shy. To pay for an invoice or refund someone for a purchase, you need to complete a reimbursement request form. 2 of the 3 signing officers will need to sign the form showing their approval of the expense. Staple the receipts from the purchase to the back of the form and you are done. For refunds under $40, payments will be made in cash. Anything over $40, a check will be processed. If the person has receipts from multiple stores, add them all together and only create one form. For those really large purchases, over $100, you will need to ask for a purchase order, or PO for short. A PO is a legal document and acts as a promise to pay. Again, 2 of the 3 signing officers will need to sign the form to approve the expense. POs are used to secure a room booking, to purchase clothing, catering expenses, and much more. Please remember that only USC staff can sign contracts for provision of service. For example, the London Convention Center, bus companies, catering companies, etc. Let's take a look at this example. Joe's council was going to host a competition and they wanted to buy trophies for the winners. Joe contacted the local business Trophies R Us and got a quote for the trophies, printing, and delivery. The total price was $225.53. Considering this was a good price, Joe contacted the compliance staff and requested a purchase order. The document was processed and the trophies were made. Joe did not need to pay for this order using his own funds, nor was a deposit required. A General Ledger Detailed Report, or GL, is a record of all transactions posted to your account. Ledgers are available from the USC Finance Office. They can be a bit tricky to read if you are not familiar with these reports. Here is an example of a GL. A lot of the information on this page is not important to you, so let's highlight what is important to you. You can see the name of the organization is the Baking Club, and their account number is 81234. The opening balance for this club shows $323.19. With each transaction, you can see the date, the description, and the amount. If you remember, debit means money out, and credit means money in, you're halfway there. On September 25th, C. Smith deposited $125 for t-shirts, and on September 30th, the company T-Shirts R Us was paid $125. Did you notice this balance was negative? Don't panic. This is correct. The USC is recording these balances as money owing to your organization, not them. If your account balance changes to a positive number, then you are in trouble, as you will have spent more money than you have. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the USC and we'll be happy to help.